Alright guys, we out here. The dirty cars. We're about to be the dirtiest cars at the car meet right now. Bro, this thing looks crazy. Woo. This is really bad. What's up guys, they're watching another video. We out here with Jordan, Hugo, BB, Aaron. All the homies are out here today. We're about to hit this little car meet up. Super last minute. Bro, we're late, we gotta hurry up. Going to a car meet tonight. Hopefully it's cool. Honestly, I don't know if it's gonna be cool or not. It's so freaking loud. Did Jordan win? I couldn't even tell. Made it. Made it, bro. It's alright, right? Last minute car meet. Who won? Hugo or Jordan?
Me,
bro. For real? He beat you? No way. Why are you shifting like a grandpa?
Shifting like a grandpa.
I heard the 92. Yeah, like that.
Not even. You're tripping.
Jordan sounded DCT over there.
I did the whole clutch down for like 2 seconds and then shift on.
Don't even lift. Blow the rod bearings.
Fuck no, that's what I was scared of, bro.
I know, me too. I was like,
come over here to
imagine.
go get my rod bearings done. And
then you
what if I blow it out the weekend of? I need to get it tuned. Once I get it tuned.
I feel like he was keeping up more than me, and I was like, what the fuck?
You think he's faster than me?
Huh?
You think he's faster than me?
Yeah.
Nah. Guys, my E92 was smoke. Hugo's E92. I swear.
No.
He's scared.
He's scared.
My car doesn't work.
All he has to do is... This car is stupid loud.
Jordan's car is... No, you guys both passed me under the tunnel. Like, perfect timing. And
That's
both you guys full throttle, bro, I was deaf. But Jordan's car is fast. But he has headers and stuff, that's fine.
That's what I'm saying. And I'm stock. At least let me get tuned.
You guys should have raced me.
This shit is not even worth my time.
What the heck? Look at this wrap, bro. Look at this wrap. Guys, look at this Supra. I saw it driving in, but... Oh, why is the R32, bro? I didn't even see that. R32, right-hand drive. This is going to be my first right-hand drive car I get. Watch. Soon, guys, I'm going to get an R32, I think. They're just so clean. And I have it right next to my R35. It'll be so sick. And then that Supra is so clean, too. Damn, bro. And it's right-hand drive, too. It's like a midnight purple. It looks so good at night. Wow. Bro, I want to get some so bad. And you can get your own shell. You can put the Mustang in the GTR.
On TikTok, you can paint them and everything.
That'd be so sick. I'll make it just like mine, bro. Look at these things, guys. Throw a car meet and have all everyone RCs. Oh. Oh my god.
That shit is perfect.
That is literally perfect, bro.
Simple and fucking...
This one low-key looks better than mine.
Why would you get rid of yours?
I know. This one looks better though, huh? Looks way better.
The spoiler.
I know, I should have added it, huh?
Looks sick, bro.
Spoiler looks crazy. That's all I needed, bro. The spoiler and some wheels.
A little risers on it.
Another E92, Hugo. That color's hard too. It's kind of like yours, huh? It's darker.
It's nothing like my color.
No?
Oh, no.
And you got the merch on, bro.
You already know.
The merch. Everyone got the merch on. Look, Jordan got the GTR, the BMW, the other BMW one. Except for YouTube, bro.
This right here.
What is this, dude? What is this? Guys, look at this GTR. Oh, shit. Look at this GTR, bro. Wide body. That shit's crazy. The wheels, but the car looks sick. I just would have did a different setup, but that shit looks nice, though. Big ass wing. Damn, that wing is huge, bro. Look at this GTR, guys. Another one. Damn. Sick, sick. R32 looks so clean, bro. Look at the rear end. Like, it literally looks like straight out of Japan, bro. Those two taillights are so, like, legendary, bro.
Cops showed up.
We're screwed, Jordan.
We're stupid loud.
We can exit that way.
The cops are right there.
The moment they pass, bro.
Bro, I think it's a CHP, too.
fucking huge, bro.
Barbecue?
About to cook my whole car, bro.
Bro, I feel like I burned the wrap. The flames are crazy or what? Dude, I was really like shooting flames, bro. No way. Can you feel the heat?
Bro, there's way more.
Look at that, bro.
Can you feel the heat?
Bro, they're fucking...
It's already passed.
Look at that shit, bro.
No way.
That shit was insane.
Bro, you have to send me that so I can post it.
You burned the wrap?
I think I burned the wrap today. I'm not gonna lie. I told myself I was not gonna shoot flames anymore, but I did it. I had to do it for the vlog, you know?
Nothing.
No? We'll probably see once we clean it. Oh my god, the car is really dirty. Austin, I kind of burned the exhaust tips, bro. Sheesh. Sheesh. Hugo's still in town, about to get the cars washed. And I had to phone too, because today he's getting his rod bearings done. A preventative maintenance for the E92s that he has to do.
It's cold.
It is cold out here. Rod bearings done today?
Yes, finally.
It sucks, huh? It's the stupidest expense, bro.
Yes.
But anyways, we're gonna get the car washed. It's super freaking dirty. As always, my GTR is always dirty. I just drive too much. I honestly drive this car too much, guys. I want to stop driving it for a little bit. I need to fix the E92 so I can start driving it again, but this thing needs to get parked for a little bit because I drive it way too much. It's fun. It's literally the most fun car to drive, but I just drive it too much. I need to switch it up. Or I need to buy a daily or something. And we're done. It's all clean. Looks way better than before. Still needs like a real detail, honestly. But it's clean enough. It looks way better than before. Bro, I love Hugo's car. E92 just looks so mean. She looks nice.
Vlog it, come on.
Bro, look at...
It's gonna flip, bro.
I don't think
Yeah,
it'll
I'll
fit.
chill.
Hold on, it'll flip one. One, it'll flip, bro.
Oh shit, it's gonna flip.
Okay, you guys see?
Put the windows up. Put them down.
No! Drop me off somewhere. Over there.
Up there, up there, up there.
This is why I need a Jeep, guys. We can just go off-roading. We just found this random ass parking. Random ass field. No way.
Feels good. Suspension.
That shit looks crazy.
It's sick, huh?
You're stuck.
You're stuck.
You're stuck. You're stuck.
I'm stuck. Wait. No way, I'm stuck.
Put it in neutral way.
Bro, imagine we on Jeep.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my god.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, it's an 8. 6'9".
Bro, look at...
Oh.
Look at that.
Grab the wheel, grab the wheel. Grab the wheel, grab the wheel. Bro, it was so smooth, huh?
We just made it to Urbandale Speedway. There's a huge car event going on today. Drag racing, like a car show. I think there's even like a donut pit too somewhere, so should be pretty sick.
I hope so.
Look at this thing, guys. So we got tables, curtains.
It's not fucking hurting. It's got the Maybach Nissan. Oh shit.
Look at this thing. This shit is so nice. It's like too clean, bro. That shit's crazy. So you got the air tanks or what? Batteries? Bro, I've seen this dude go to Azusa once.
Bro.
Drive by cops like nothing.
Bro.
I'd be so scared, bro.
Hell yeah.
State ref?
Easy.
That's a straight to the gulag, bro. Guys, the music's so loud, but this shit is hard. The C63 and this Huracan is like beautiful. Both of them Liberty Walk kits. I've always wanted one. Damn, the wheels look hard on this car. This shit's so nice. Think he drifts it, guys? I don't think he does. It's too nice to drift, bro. I wouldn't want to mess it up at all. There's so many cars here, guys. I'm doing a bad job filming, but there's some pretty sick cars. That Supra is nice. That Supra is nice too. Wide body. That shit's wide, bro. This thing is crazy. You guys know I've always wanted an FRS and wide body like that. Almost was gonna be my first car before I got the M3. It would have been just, I probably would have wide bodied it too. Imagine how different life would have been, guys, if I got an FRS and not an M3. I always think of that because I was really close. But there's a lot of FRSs, as you can tell. Look at this, the 2 Fast and the Furious cars. Oh. Oh, the Camaro one. 869. Guys, should we bring the GTR? I think we might come through next week. I've never been to the drag strip though. I feel like I'm gonna embarrass myself, bro. Corvette? Man, that Corvette sounds crazy.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing